Look at this mansion, look at these cars. All of this belongs to just one man. Rick Ross, a rapper who doesn't show off his wealth in ordinary ways. He says one day he'll buy France and turn a part of it into a garage for his cars. His lifestyle is on an insane level. He's even bought coffins in advance, and he's still alive. Yes, coffins. This guy is in a league of his own. So let's dive into how Rick Ross became the owner of an empire and how he turned his success into massive wealth. Rick Ross's real name is William Leonard Roberts II. Born on January 28, 1976, in Florida, he was always obsessed with music and a luxurious lifestyle from a young age. However, his journey wasn't as easy as it seems. He first worked as a correctional officer, but his true passion was always rap and business. When he released his hit song, Hustlin', his name echoed throughout the rap industry. This wasn't just a song, it became an anthem representing the billionaire mindset. After that, Rick Ross never looked back and started Maybach Music Group, MMG, building a full business empire. Rick Ross's mansion, known as Promised Land, is nothing short of a fantasy world. Located in Atlanta, Georgia, it spans across 235 acres and was once the property of boxing legend Evander Holyfield. This mansion is a staggering 45,000 square feet, so huge that every corner of it screams luxury. The mansion boasts 109 rooms, including 12 bedrooms and 21 bathrooms. Rick Ross has included every possible luxury item, such as an indoor pool, a bowling alley, and a private movie theater. The dining hall is so large that 100 people can dine together. And if you're wondering how such a massive home is maintained, Rick Ross revealed that just the lawn maintenance costs up to $1 million per year. This mansion is more than just a home, it's a living symbol of Rick Ross's wealth and success. Rick Ross's net worth exceeds $150 million in 2024. But it didn't come just from rap, his business empire is equally powerful. He invested in Wingstop franchises, real estate, and numerous brand endorsements, which continue to grow his wealth exponentially. But what truly takes Rick Ross's riches to the next level is his massive collection of over 100 luxury and vintage cars. His fleet includes the Rolls-Royce Phantom, a car fit for a king, the Ferrari 488 Spider, which perfectly blends speed and style, and the Lamborghini Urus, a beast on the road. He also owns the Maybach 650 Landaulet, a signature car representing his Maybach Music Group, along with a custom Chevy Bel Air from the 1960s, a dream for classic car lovers. Beyond these, his collection features countless rare and exotic cars. Rick Ross isn't just a rapper, he's an entrepreneur as well. He owns multiple Wingstop franchises that rake in millions every year. His real estate portfolio is also quite strong, and reports suggest that he's considering buying new properties in Los Angeles. But making money isn't his only goal, he's also focused on giving back. Rick Ross has actively funded educational and community development projects in Georgia, helping to improve his community with a portion of his success. Rick Ross hasn't just earned riches as a rapper, he's built his empire like a businessman. His mansion, car collection, and investments are proof of his hustle. Seeing all this makes one thing clear: if you want to turn your passion into a business, Rick Ross is the perfect example. So, what do you think? Could you build an empire too? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Cracking always well, baby, 'cause it happens. She leave the back seat just to